little man.
Dumber than dirt, ain't you? You're dumb as a box of rocks.
Did you think I would forget you? I should have done this long ago. I am heavy weapons guy. And this is Scout Sniper. Do I smell soiled baby diaper? Everyone! I see spy!
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 Do you remember me now? Oh no! You I do not forget! Engineer! Uh-oh, I think someone soiled diaper.
Nope. I've seen better sides of beef been run over by a combine. Ah, shucks. You and me, hoss. Robots at the gate, boys! Sentry Buster! When y'all meet your maker, tell him to build you some guts next time.
Now, entire team is babies.
Ah, good night, Irene.
Good. This item is Harry's favorite.
Well, don't that beat all? Let's get this buzzard bait in the hole, boy.
All right!
Good,
Oh, yeah!
save the
Let's
queen.
do this! Free crab!
Go on, get. Follow me. Let's do this Texas style.
Everyone, friendship is stupid magic.
I told you don't touch that darn thing. And another thing, you're ugly.
Would you look at you? I mean, look at you!
All of you are babies. We lose. Now, sandwich. Now, dispenser. Yet, now, stupid.
No. You are terrible. Drink it in, pal. That's how failure tastes. Hit the bricks, pal. You're done. I'll put it in my trophy room with the others.
Ah, too many little men on this team. Stop laughing at Heavy.
Dominated corn cakes. And another thing, you're ugly.